These goddamn glue bots. They've got this gasket that goes in the top of them, and whenever you refill them, they like to fill in the glue bottle. And I found 2 of these, and we've only got 2 fucking glue bottles. So now, if you go look at the other one over there, it's got a freaking paper or a plastic sack using as a gasket. Dumbest shit I've ever seen.
Is that from when what's his fuck worked here?
Yeah. Surprisingly, it was him both times that they were messed up. But we'll see what this does. I don't know how long to make this. I do know how long to make it. No, I don't. I don't know what I'm doing. No one has any idea what they're doing in this shop.
Does anybody have any idea what they're doing ever, anywhere?
CNC does, sometimes. Actually, funny story. CNC thought I had a different tool in it than what it actually had. And I'm glad that I caught it because it would have fucked something up.
Yeah.
It was awesome. Need a... Hold this. Need a sharp egg. Raindrops and roses and whiskers on kittens. Sticking my dick in this region. These are just some of my favorite things. Ow! Crushed my finger. Hey, there we go.
Bingo, bango, bongo.
Bongo, bongo, bongo! Cool. Fine, I'm gonna glass it anyway. These are a few of my favorite things. If you're trying to be loud, do not copy me. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Where'd it go? Oh.
Next to all the other shit that's on the floor. Oh, best feeling in the world. You're holding 2 pieces of wood together, and what it'll do is the screw will go in and it'll like pull the other piece out. You got your hand right here and it pulls it out and you don't pay attention. You screw it together and you pinch your finger, get some blood blisters. So you turn into a man.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Fucking thing sucks!
What do now?
I'm gonna try and figure this motherfucker out.
What do you got left?
Well,
I mean, you got that right there. You have this piece up here, so you need the side pieces.
no. What I need to do, I need to figure out how long or how wide 2 pieces of 3/4 are gonna be. And where I need to cut it back. It's gonna be like right here. I fucking hate that cat. Wait, I do know what it is. What is... I should be able to cut double 1 5/16, which is 2 5/8.
Good?
No! Yes. No.
Board.
I don't have any cardboard. I got a cat. Here, let's see what this looks like. So we do this. We do... Corbel! Fuck, I hate doing this.
It's all fun and games till you have to build it.
It's all fun and games until you get fucking confused about what's supposed to go next. I don't even know what angle this is supposed to be. It's just gonna go...
So is it supposed to go from right here to where that one piece was across?
It's supposed to go...
The port too.
Hold on. Or I might not do shit about it. I don't know yet. I might just like, fuck it.
So how far, okay, the port,
Yeah.
how far back does it go? Does it go all the way to the back?
Well, no, what it's going to do is it's going to hit this angle right here. I'm going to pie cut it, then it's going to go down.
Oh, okay.
I just got to figure out, as soon as I can get this back piece on, I can fuck with the port.
Right.
And then as soon as I get the port in, I can fuck with the side pieces. So this is the motherfucker that's kicking my ass. Ow, my finger.
One hour later. Two hours later. 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
About to just fucking cut it.
Why don't you get your phone out? Use the fucking angle finder thing on it.
Wow.
Shut up. getting close. That's really close.
About a cunt here away.
About a one broken saw blade into my face away.
That's right.
Shut up! Get enough of that shit at home.
Oh yeah, with Iggy and the other dumb idiot.
Oh, that's mostly the white one. That's it.
There you go, now just match it.
Shut the fuck up.